Hello, welcome to Motorcycling with Carl. Today is February 23rd here in Connecticut. The weather is still about the same. We haven't had any significant snowfall, which is awesome. And it's been pretty warm out the last couple days. Today I think it's going to be 45 degrees, so I decided to do this video today. I received this locking gas cap I bought from Harley Davidson. It's the Harley Davidson black locking gas cap with the logo that slides over the keyhole. So I figured I would do a whole unboxing and everything and go through it with you. Now I'm going to be putting this on a 2019 Harley Davidson Iron 1200 Sportster. Right before I ordered it, I noticed in the comments the Harley site says it fits my bike. I noticed in the comments somebody put on there they own a 2020 Iron 1200 Harley, and they said the product didn't fit their bike. So I was a little concerned, but I read all the instructions already. So I'm going to unbox this. I'll show it to you here, and then I'll go out and put it on the bike, and we'll go through it step by step. And if it doesn't fit, you're going to find out just like me. But I have a feeling it will fit. After I read all the directions, I have a feeling whoever was commenting might not have unlocked the gas cap and did everything that you're supposed to do in the procedure of first putting it on. Alright, so before I get into unboxing the new gas cap, if you could see in the background there, I went to the Harley dealer. They sent me a postcard for a free poster. It's the 50th year of the XR 750 Harley Davidson. So my free poster, probably because I spent $10,000 on a motorcycle, they gave me a piece of paper. Yay. Alright, so let's get into this. It did come packaged in a bigger box that I took it out of, but this box was inside, so let's see. Oh, and by the way, if you like my videos, please subscribe. Also hit the like button. I really would like to get some new subscribers and keep doing videos. As soon as the weather breaks, I'll start doing some vlogs. Okay, so we had the big box, the smaller box, and now there's even another box inside the box. So that's what the cap looks like. Bar and shield self-locking fuel cap. Now the reason why I'm putting this on my bike, if you go back and watch my battery tender video, somebody commented in there saying that they've had problems with stolen gas caps, and you know, somebody put a rock in one of their gas tanks. So I haven't heard of that happening around here where I ride around, but I guess you could never be too safe. So for the price, I decided to give it a try, and thanks for the comment. And let's see what's in this box. Two keys and the cap. Very nice. It looks like it'll match the color on my bike if it fits. Let's take a look here. What else might be in here? Comes with this set of instructions, like I said. I'm going to go over it step by step when I'm putting it on the bike. I read all of these, but I advise if you buy the cap, read the directions. It's not that big of a paragraph there to read, but we'll go through it step by step. So that is the gas cap. There's nothing else in here. So we're gonna go out to the bike. We're gonna install it on the bike. Yeah, if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Please hit that subscribe button, and I'll be back in about 2 seconds. Alright guys, here we are at my 2019 Harley Davidson Iron 1200 Sportster. and we're going to be doing the gas cap replacement with the locking gas cap. Before I do that, I just wanted to say that a couple upcoming videos I'm going to have is I'm going to be getting this week a cruise control for this bike. So I'm going to go over what I got, how I'm putting it on, and we'll see how it looks like it works. I'm also going to be doing a video replacing the stock air cleaner with the Screaming Eagle high flow air cleaner. And I'm also going to be installing a Vance & Hines FP3 fuel pack. And I think I'm going to leave it installed on the bike so I could look on my phone and make any adjustments when needed. So without further ado, let's get started. If you're interested and like my videos, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you can find out when those next videos come up. So let's start. We'll take off the old cap. All right. Come over, we'll get the new Harley Davidson cap. All right. So in the instructions, it's really nice. Hopefully you could see it there. In the instructions, they tell you before you put it on, get the key, grasp the cap, insert the key all the way to the left, and then back to center, and take it out. Okay. So we did that, and then we'll try screwing it on. Okay, so we're going to hear a click. There it is. And then they say one full turn. And now the cap, if it's properly locked, you can turn it all you want, either direction, and it will not come off. So there we are. I mean, looks like I need to wipe it and polish it a little, but that's the Harley Davidson locking gas cap. I think I actually like it better than the chrome. Let me know what you think in the comments. So let's see how it comes off. Hold the cap, unlock. You could hear it click. It makes a distinct click. Back to center. Okay, we'll close this. Turn it. I heard a pop. Now it engaged. And it's off. Pretty creative. Nice cap. So if there was any doubts whether or not it would fit a 2019 Harley Davidson Sportster, it fits. That guy had a 2020, but I don't think there's any difference. I think they're the same exact bike. So we turn it, click. You could feel it freewheeling in both directions. It's now locked on. We'll set it up. Boom. That is beautiful. So this is Carl. This is the Harley Davidson locking gas cap. And hit the subscribe button, and we'll be doing some videos soon. So I hope you enjoyed the video. And remember, laugh a lot, be nice, and stay safe.